Hello, my name is Matthew, and today I'll be presenting the Tableau project. So let's get right into it. The data. So the data is a bunch of companies and their investments. You can see Barron Growth. It's got investment value of 844 million. It has a return and risk ranks, price, how much the stock price is, their high and low for 52 weeks, and a bunch of years and return percentage. So it's just a bunch of companies and their stock performances. So what I wanted to do first was just see, what percentage, latest percentage, so basically 2007, return percentage for funds. So my first sheet, I wanted to see if there was any ones that were standing out or, any outliers. So, as we could see, American Century Heritage A, really good return. But as I was going down, I really wanted to focus on the negative ones. As you can see, we got Artisan International Value at negative 0.67 and Buffalo Small Cap 0.33, negative 0.33, and CMG Small Cap negative 2.23. And you can go down and see some more really bad Oak Market International Small Cap and really, really low percentage there. So I wanted to focus on these negative percentages. So to make it easier, instead of looking at all these and trying to find one, I decided to take all the ones that were negative and just put them in this sheet. As you can see, these are all the negative ones. And Oak Market International just really bad at negative 8.3. Just want to make it easier on the eyes to see the percentage. So to take it even farther, I wanted to see which would be bad investments. So I created this sheet. From here, there's some returns that just aren't as well. But, there's a lot of investment value or more investment value. Like this, for example, you see return is 0.6, but it's got an investment value of 558 and a price like that. And you can see, which ones are doing bad. Like for this example, Oakmont International Small Cap had a negative return of 8.33, but its investment value is 890, and it's got a current price of 7. So if you're investing in that, it's probably not going to be a good company to invest in. And you can just go down the line and see, which companies are doing better or worse. So for the dashboard, I just wanted to combine it all together and specifically click on ones, so it'll just be really quick and really easy to find. So these are all the negative ones. Click on that, you can see immediately the percent, their investment value and return. Click on this one, negative 2.23. You can just keep going and keep looking and see like what their investment value is, their return. It's just really focused down and really diluted this information. So, we can see which companies are bad investments and which companies are good.